Hey guys, today we're gonna make homemade bird feeders out of toilet paper roll, string, peanut butter or a peanut butter substitute, and wild bird seed. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our string and we're gonna put it through our roll. And I made it plenty big so that I can tie it up at the top and hang it from a tree branch. So I'm just going to tie a couple knots at the top. And then we are ready to put peanut butter on our roll. So I'm just going to take my plastic knife and smear it all on. I'm doing it outside today, so if we make a mess with the bird seed, it's not going to be a big deal. We won't have to really clean it up. So we're just going to smear it on all the way around it, a pretty good thick layer so that it holds the bird seed pretty well. Might get some on your hands. All right, almost got it. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this here, and I'm just going to use a paper towel to put some bird seed on. All right. So now I'm just going to take my bird seed and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the peanut butter. Just like that. Cover the whole thing. You can leave a little bit of peanut butter. Birds like to eat peanut butter too. Make sure you get every side. And there we have it. Simple, easy, homemade bird feeder that we can just hang on the trees. Hope you guys try this. See you later.